Okay, guys, we're gonna work on this project here on the detailing. So let's go to level 1. We have our section, so we can double click on the section, right on the section symbol. We're gonna see this, okay? We can disappear this ugly box, right? Is under your properties, under extends, under crop region visible. You can disable it and apply it, and that box is gonna disappear, right? So then we're gonna go to the annotate tab, right? And we're gonna try to bring a detail component, right? But this one is gonna be a repeating detail component. Okay, by default, we have a brick here, right? So this one means if our wall is brick, we can go here and we can right away place the brick, right? But guess what? It's not our scenario. This one is a CMU block. So we need to go to this one, select the brick, right? We can go to the edit type, right? And we can see here brick standard running section. And this is the only thing that is here. So I need to load it, right? So I'm gonna have to go to, right, to the insert tab, go to load an Autodesk family. Then I'm going to go to all results. So you can see that I need to go to the detail, right? The detail items. On the detail items, I need to focus on masonry and, and masonry unit, right? The masonry unit, and I can start getting things from here, but it's not the one that I want. So it's actually under concrete masonry unit, CUM, right? CUM, right? There we go. And then I can like look for the core section, this one, right? Or core CMU's core section 3, or the split face 1, right? It depends, right? If you have a 6-chain wall or you have a different one. So we need to load it. Then we can select the brick, go to edit type, and we can get this one now loaded, right? Let me go again on this one. You select your detail, right? Repeated detail item. You can go to edit type, right? And we can get this one right here under the detail, the actual detail, right? And get your uh, CMU on your proper size, that is 8 by 8 by 16, right? So this one is the one that I'm using, right? And I'm gonna try it right now. I'm gonna be back to this one, to the layout under the fixed distance, right? So I'm gonna just hit apply, right, and OK. And you're gonna notice this, right, is getting over, right, the size or the height of the brick. So we need to fix this, right? So we're gonna go here, right? We're gonna go to edit type, and instead of fixed distance, we have options, right? Like fill available space, right? Let's move this one away and let's apply it. So we got our brick, right, detail level set up. So let's put here OK. And you can just go to annotate, repeating under component. You go over repeating detail component, and we can hit our endpoint, and we can go all the way up, right? All the way up until we hit to our roof, right? So we can go and go to the roof, and we will make that masking region. I might end up moving, right, my roof a little bit up by changing here a few inches, right? 22 and maybe 4 inches, 2 inches. So I can have this one, and I can actually draw under my annotate with detail lines, right? I can draw a rectangle and follow the specs, and I can get my steel plate where the joist is gonna go and rest. Got it? So I need to just basically go here and make my life easier as as a Revit user, and apply here like I'm gonna apply here like 4 inches up, right? So I think I almost got this one, maybe another inch more, right? Got it? So I'm rising everything up, right? There we go. And I'm gonna go here 5 inches, maybe up to 6 inches, right? I think this one is gonna be perfect, right? And I can maybe uh, there we go. We got him right there, right? We got him right there. Okay. So what else we can do? We can do a masking region. We can do more detailed lines. I can grab this one here and going up to here and then trying to do my joist or use the pick line tool. I think it will be better to use the pick line tool. So I can pick this one and I can pick this one and I can pick this one. And then I can just go and finish this one here. Right, there we go. And I can extend this guy here and this one here, right? And let's don't use Revit like AutoCAD. We can bring actually the CAD detail here, right? I can modify this wall a little bit, right? And I have more or less this one here, right? Let me see if I can also do, if I go to architecture, into annotate and grab one of the lines and try to change the line type to invisible. But one right now, I'm going to leave it up to here. I think it's a good way to start doing our details, right? I will say, let's see if CAD can do this for us, right? But I think that we already nailed part of a basic detail with Revit, okay? And we can get over this one here, right? Okay, so we got that one. Is just to modify this one a little bit so we can get this one, right? We can maybe change the order or so. Okay, so this is a nice way to start getting into detailing in Revit. Okay, thank you guys.